CSX eastbound. Ooh. With the horn show! Making a video.
Is everybody happy now?
Heck yeah. Did you see what he did?
I did.
Did you hear what he did?
No, I didn't.
He blew the horn extra. That means he
Good for
saw
him.
us. Have you seen this meme? Wait.
I don't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all ain't gonna get no sleep because of me.
I guess the crew saw us, right? Oh, it's loaded.
Cars.
This is 264.
Cars. Look, guys. New cars, baby.
This is 264.
New
K264?
No, Q264, I
cars.
think.
Q264?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't get no sleep because of y'all.
This could have a DPU because I only have one engine at the front. So that's a good chance of a distributed power unit.
Because of y'all.
Let's see.
Y'all ain't gonna get no sleep because of me. That's all. Waking you up now.
I'm gonna wake you up a fast. I'm gonna wake you guys up a fast. Since you wake up faster than them. CSX Auto Rack car.
Yeah, UP cars as well.
Yeah. This is
Brand new cars.
This is
guys.
a good chance of a distributed power unit in the middle or at the end. Oh, I was right! 3204. Going inside. Remote controlled engine.
CP?
CN. BNSF.